everyone! Welcome back to Pencil Panic! While drawing this absolutely terrified face of Luffy today, I suddenly realized something. This is exactly what I look like when I open YouTube Studio in the morning and see that last night's video got 17 views after 8 hours! Yep, 17 views. Not 17,000, not 117,000, just 17. And the scary part is, I'm pretty sure 5 of those views were mine. That got me thinking, what if Luffy became a YouTuber? Most people think Luffy is strong because of his devil fruit. Wrong. Others say it's because of Haki. Also wrong. After years of watching One Piece, I finally discovered Luffy's true power. Unreasonable confidence. Think about it. This is a guy who would storm the strongest marine base in the world just because he's angry, declare war on the world government to save a friend, and see a 20-meter tall monster and decide to punch it instead of running away. Meanwhile, I woke up this morning and was too scared to open a work email. But that's not even the craziest part. If Luffy lived in the modern world, he would absolutely be the kind of person who starts a YouTube channel and genuinely believes he'll become a millionaire in 3 days. Day 1. 3 views. 1 from Luffy, 1 from Chopper, and the last one was Luffy accidentally refreshing the page. Day 2. 2 views. Luffy starts getting suspicious. Day 3. 1 view. The only viewer is Luffy himself. At this point, a normal person would quit. But this is Luffy. He slams the table and yells, "I'm gonna be the king of YouTube!" Then he keeps uploading. Video number 100 gets 7 views. Video number 200 gets 5 views. Video number 300 gets 11 views. Video number 400 finally gets a comment. Great video! Luffy is so happy he can't sleep for 3 days. Then he finds out the comment was from Usopp. But Luffy is still happy. At least somebody watched it. Then one beautiful day, after uploading videos non-stop for 5 years, Luffy's newest video reaches 12 views. 12! Not 12,000, not 12 million, just 12. Luffy stares at the screen, then stares again. Then one more time. Eventually, he convinces himself that YouTube must be broken, so he opens YouTube Studio. Revenue, $0. Subscribers, -2. Luffy freezes. He doesn't understand. How can subscribers be negative? Who would unsubscribe from someone who's trying this hard? That's when Sanji walks over and says, "Actually, those 2 accounts were yours." Luffy goes silent. Wait, you mean even I don't watch my own channel anymore? The room falls silent. All sound disappears. All hope disappears. All dreams disappears. And that is the exact moment Luffy creates the most horrifying facial expression in One Piece history. His eyes bulge out, his mouth stretches wide enough to swallow a monitor, and he screams, "Then who has been watching my videos this whole time?" Anyway, if you've watched this far, congratulations! You probably make up about 10% of Luffy's audience. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Pencil Panic, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next drawing.